Hi, this is Dr. Lakshmi Annadata. Today in this video, we'll understand what happens to your body if you are on a fruit diet continuously for 72 hours. We all know fruits can and should be a part of a balanced diet. Indeed, there are several benefits if you are on a fruit diet, and it's the best way to detox and lose weight, as they are not only loaded with nutrients but also help in smooth functioning of various organs. But have you ever wondered what limited duration fasting with just fruits does to your body, or what happens when you eat fruits for 72 hours or 3 consecutive days? Fruits are known for their immense health benefits, which include keeping the internal organs regulated, skin rejuvenated and glowing, and also in healthy weight loss, also maintaining a good amount of hydration in the body. Fruit diet is a promising way to infuse your body with lots of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that boost your immune system, regulate digestion and improve the function of cardiovascular system, respiratory system and other systems in our body. If you are on a fruit diet, after munching on your favorites or seasonal fruits for 12 hours, you will experience improved and enhanced digestion and free of bloating, constipation and heaviness. All this happens due to the water content and the dietary fiber in the fruits. Slowly, your body will also begin to absorb and digest the nutrients. The body enters into a state of nutritional ketosis, using stored fat as source of energy. However, since fruits contains carbs, they will not induce ketosis with an all-fruit diet in 3 days. But it is not a sustainable process and can cause nutritional deficiencies. And still, if you are on a third day also continuing eating fruits, which will help you feel super energetic, boosting your immune system, which will be stimulated by the vitamins, nutrients and antioxidants. Detoxification will also give you a digestive break, leading to more energy, clear skin and an anti-aging effect. However, there are few risks of eating only fruits. Can be a deficiency in nutrients that include protein, iron, calcium, vitamin B, vitamin D, zinc and omega-3 fatty acids. You may also gain weight. Since more foods are heavy in natural sugars, eating large portions can put you at risk of gaining weight. Citrus fruits have high amounts of citric acid that may erode your tooth enamel, leading to tooth sensitivity and tooth decay. Especially when coming to the chronic metabolic disorders like diabetes, obesity, irregular bowel syndrome, a fruit diet can be dangerous because of high natural sugars and dietary fibers in it. Eating a restricted diet can cause cravings for unhealthy and processed foods. However, the best way to burn fat is to reduce calories and increase physical activity. Thank you for watching.